Good afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb here. 2011 government pass question number 43. And the question number 43 says Rhodesia was the former name of dash. Rhodesia was the former name of that is, which country, which country bear the name Rhodesia before. So the later change its name. So option A say Zambia, B say Namibia, C say Zimbabwe, D say Swaziland. So the country that changed its former name from Rhodesia is Zimbabwe. So Zimbabwe was formerly known as Rhodesia. So then later changed to Zimbabwe. So option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.